Good morning, my dear children. I'm here again to teach you the subject English 2. So open your English 2 book, page number 11. Yesterday, I explained you this portion. So today, we will be reading about articles a or an. Okay? So let's start. Read these sentences. It has a garden. An owl lives in a hole in the tree. We use a and an with a noun to show there is only one of something. Why do we use a noun a and an? We use a and an with a noun to show there is only one of something. Okay? Let's see here a tree. An umbrella. Okay, a tree and umbrella. We use an with words that begin with the sounds that a, e, I, o and u make. So we use an with words that begins with the sounds a, e, I, o and u make. A, e, I, o, u are vowels. So we use an with the sounds that a, e, I, o and u make. Okay? We use a with words that begins with all other sounds. We use a with all the words that begins with other sounds except vowels. Okay? Now turn the page number 12. Tick the correct words in the bracket. So we have to choose the correct answer and tick on it. Number 1. I have a, an. So there are option or an. So which one you will choose? An. Orange and a banana in my bag. So we ticked here on an. Why? Because O is our vowels. So before vowels we always write a and an. Okay? And here a banana. Why? Because B is not a vowels, it is the other sound. So I have an orange and a banana in my bag. Now come to question number 2. My mother cut or an onion and a potato. My mother cut an onion. Why an onion? Because O is a vowel. And a potato. Why? Because P is other sound. So come to number 3. We carry a basket. Why? Because B is the other sound. It's not a vowel. So a basket and an umbrella to the market. Why an umbrella? Because U is a vowel. So that's why an umbrella. Now come to number 4. There is a picture of an owl on the wall. A picture. Why? Because P is the other sound and an owl. Why? O is vowels. That's why we ticked on a picture an owl. Now come to number 5. I saw an elephant. Because E is a vowel. So that's why an elephant and a giraffe at the zoo. A giraffe. Why? Because G is the other sound. Now come to number 6. There is an cow. A cow. Because C is not a vowel. C is the other sound. So a cow and an ox. An ox. Why? And because O is a vowel. So an ox in the small farm. Okay. So this all work you will be doing in your book itself. Okay. Now come to number C. Complete these sentences with a or an. Now you have to fill in these blanks with a or an. Number 1. Let's see. There is an apple on the table. Eat it if you are hungry. Why an apple? Because A is a vowel, so that's why an apple. Okay, now number 2, I want to eat an ice cream. Why an ice cream? Because I is also a vowel, so that's why an ice cream. It is a hot day. Number 3, a bird is sitting in the tree. A bird is sitting in the tree. It's a bird. Why? B is the other sound. It is not a vowel. Number 4, he is riding a bicycle in the park. He is riding a bicycle in the park. A bicycle. Why? Because B is the other sound. Now number 5, an ostrich can run very fast. An ostrich can run very fast. An ostrich. Why? Because O is a vowel. That's why A and N we wrote here. Number 6, there is an ant in the cup. There is an ant in the cup. A, again it is a vowel, that's why A and N. Number 7, the bird has an egg in the nest. The bird has an egg in the nest. And E is a vowel, that's why A and N. Okay, so my dear children, you will be writing in this way in your book itself. Okay, only question C, complete the sentences with A or N. I will be sending you the notes of this one to write in your notebook. Okay, so for today, this much.